Have you ever wondered why plants are green? It's a question that might seem simple, but the answer is deeply interwoven with the mechanics of life itself. Plants are green because of a pigment called chlorophyll. This pigment is vital for the process of photosynthesis, which is how plants convert light energy, usually from the sun, into chemical energy that can be used to fuel the plant's activities. But here's where things get interesting. Chlorophyll actually absorbs light in the blue and red parts of the spectrum and reflects green light. This is why when we look at a leaf, our eyes perceive it as green. But why don't plants absorb green light? After all, sunlight contains more green light than any other color. Well, scientists believe that this is because green light isn't as useful to plants. Blue and red light have higher energy levels and can therefore provide more energy for photosynthesis. Now, let's journey into the world of carnivorous plants. These fascinating species have evolved to get their nutrients not just from the soil and sun, but also from insects and small animals. The Venus flytrap, for instance, uses modified leaves that snap shut when an insect lands on them, trapping the prey inside. And then there are the air plants, the epiphytes. These plants have developed a unique way of life. Instead of rooting in the ground, they live on the surfaces of other plants or even on rocks and buildings and absorb moisture and nutrients from the air around them. Plants aren't just static elements in our environment. They are dynamic and complex organisms that have evolved and adapted to a wide range of conditions. In summary, the world of plants is far more diverse and fascinating than we might initially think. From the green pigment of chlorophyll that allows plants to harness the energy of the sun, to the carnivorous plants that have turned the tables on the animal kingdom, and the air plants that have found a way to thrive without soil, there's always more to learn about these incredible organisms. So the next time you take a walk in the park, or even just look at a houseplant, take a moment to appreciate the intricate and beautiful world of plants. After all, without them, life as we know it would not be possible.